My Ipsy icon box arrived and we're gonna go through it together. So this is one with Patrick Starrr from One Size Beauty. Included is Fenty Skin Buff Rider Exfoliating Body Scrub, the Professional Speedy Smooth Quick Smoothing Pore Mask, the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. This I'm actually putting aside for somebody. LYS, which stands for Love Yourself. Speak Love. This is 2 of their lip glosses. The Kosas Grow Potion Fluffy Brow and Lash Boosting Serum has peptides and maybe electrolytes, which is what plants need. One Size Beauty. And I have tried a number of things from One Size Beauty and I have been so happy with everything I've tried. Ooh. Point Made Rusty Brown Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Pen. I'm getting better with the liquid liners. One Size Lip Snatcher and Be About It is the color. Now I have one of these in Joalopoulos, I think is how you pronounce it, and I did like it, so I did pick this one. This was one of them that I've had my eye on, so of course I had to pick it up. And this is Very That. There you go. I really like Patrick Ta's blush, so this is just an aside. Patrick Ta's new blush, right? This color looks amazing on me. So I was like, well, what else has a color that's similar? And if you look at them, it does look pretty similar to me. Here's Fat Ass. This is my first one that I had picked up and I really like these colors. This is Attention Seeker. And this is the new Whirly Pop. It's water therapy from the new Co. It's to relax. It's a cologne or perfume. It's unisex. But when I saw this, I knew I was getting this for somebody.